How do you fix I have no change is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options you want to add -dx11. Now go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you'll need to check if you have the latest driver updates for your GPU. So based on your GPU, you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software if you're running AMD. And from here, check for the latest drivers and make sure to download and install them. Now, the next step is to install the redistributables. This link is going to be in the description. You need to go to this website and on the redistributables table, get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them, which will require a computer restart when you're finished the installation. Now, right after the restart, you will need to open Steam but as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your Steam library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.